In this video, we bring you a back spot turn for cha-cha. What's up, gang? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
From Social Dance Online. We are bringing you a back spot turn. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1 into a crossover break. So what's going on in this back spot turn? Let's talk leaders, footwork first, then followers, then what we need to do to make sure this works together. So leaders, we dance half a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. I'm going to dance this off a forward rock step for 2, 3. Then I'm going to do a little slip chassé. So what's that mean? I'm going to take this foot back with no weight into my heel for 4. I'm going to suck this foot across for and. I'm beginning a little bit of a turn, and I step sideways for 1. Then I hook this foot behind for 2. I unwind myself for 3, and in a perfect world, I'd be able to side cha-cha to the camera. Let's do that one more time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, stop here. That's our basic. Now from here, I'm going to begin the action of the turn by going back for 4. I'm going to suck this foot across for and. I've begun the turn. I step side for 1. Now I hook my foot for 2. So I'm going to take weight on that right foot for 2, unwind for 3, side together, side for my back spot turn. If that was too fast, rewind, use the slow-mo button. Miss Megan's going to catch the followers up.
All right, so followers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 back rock, 2, 3. If we were just going to do our forward cha-cha, we're going to follow the leader around, so it's going to end up curving, but it's really just a forward cha-cha. So we have cha, cha, cha. Now we're going to walk 2, 3, and we have a sideways cha-cha for 4 and 1. So let's do that one more time. We have 1, 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, 4 and 1, walk 2, 3, 4, and 1.
So from a lead and follow perspective, here's what we like to teach the followers. Follower, you're going to do what's the most basic. So you've been taught a couple different things. There's your basic position over the leader's right shoulder, right? And then you're going to do your basic either side cha-cha, forward cha-cha as led until told otherwise. So how does that apply? Megan has to pay attention to my right shoulder in this, and she has to pay attention to the direction I led her. So when we dance through this, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3. So I've changed her direction to forward, right? So she's headed this way, but now she's going to start to chase my shoulder, 4 and 1. So in a perfect world, we're lined up where our shoulders are parallel. We're going to continue hooking our foot for 2, for 3, and cha-cha-cha. So as we're doing this, I want you to pay attention. Well, let's talk about this one more time, and then the one key that you need to pay attention to. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Leaders, I'm going to, because I've initiated her direction, I'm going to start to change this hand and offer up this side. So Megan instinctively is going to head towards that shoulder. We dance 4 and 1. Then we hook for 2, for 3, and cha-cha 1. So 2 things we need to pay attention to, and 1 super common problem. We are going to end up, as a rule, leaving our left sides behind. So I want you to focus. I want you to do this for me. Stand hardcore right forward on your right foot, right? Followers can do this too, forward on the right foot. Now I want you to take the left side of your body and connect it over top of that right foot. So you might feel twisted, but if I pull the other foot underneath, you can see I'm just stacked up, right? So try that again. Step the right foot hardcore forward. Now take the left side and line it up over top of that. So what happens is, if I scooch up to Megan, our shoulders are lined up. If we leave our left sides behind, this is going to happen. You can see that the frame is kind of distorted in here. So it's going to be tricky as the followers are doing that forward cha-cha. You're going to have to connect the left side of your body. So from the back rock, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 4 and 1. You're going to have to feel like this side continues to move around the corner. As the leader, I'm going to feel like 2, 3. I'm going to let go for just a second. As I'm doing this 4 and 1, I feel like my left side, 4 and 1. My left side is moving around the corner, so we have the energy to finish our back spot turn, right? So that's one key. Number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. This is my basic position over Megan's shoulder. If by some reason, 2, 3, I can't make it back to the camera, this is a terrible option where I'm on the wrong side. A better option is that I stay in my window and we just let the cha-cha come out where it needs to come out from our alignment perspective. So from a social dance perspective, you don't have to get locked into this pattern has to go this way. It's better to pay attention to the general rules of our alignments and our connections, and then wherever the pattern goes, I'm going to purposely take this out to the wrong position. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. We're lined up. We can dance whatever we want as a partnership. So there is your back spot turn for cha-cha, and then what to do if it doesn't go perfect to still have a good dance.